My name is Kadri Shaibu. I'm from Bodia. As you can see, everything is going on peacefully. We don't want any type of or any kind of misunderstanding. So we want to maintain the peace until the end of the vote. So all the advice that I have for my colleagues, the youth, that we don't want any misunderstanding. So we want a peaceful election. After the election, we are all one people. So it's not the election that is going to divide us into two. They say the strength of a broom is eight numbers. Like, so we don't want any type of misunderstanding here. So all the thing, the only thing that I can say for the youth, that we don't want any misunderstanding. That's all I can say.
Okay, what exactly do you do here in Bodia?
I'm a miner. I involve myself in Galamsey, but my own is not any big type of mining. I am under small scale mining.
Have you already gone through the process, the voting process?
Oh, I have never cast my vote yet, but I will vote.
What are you waiting for?
Oh, I am waiting for some one or two things before.
Can you share the one or two things with us?
As you can see, what have happened today, we don't know ahead of us, but it's not something I cannot predict that maybe it will happen again. So far as that thing have happened today, if the person that we want, if you vote for him to come into power, there is nothing much that he will do for us. So we have to collect money so that we will vote for the person. So we are waiting for the money before we will vote.
Why, have you heard anywhere that people are sharing money?
Oh, I haven't received any amount of money yet, but I'm waiting for money so that I can vote.
Are you confident you are going to get money from any of the candidates before you go ahead to vote?
As you can see, you say you can't go to the strong man's house and beat him just like that unless you tie him or her. So if you want to win the election, you have to open your hands so that we the people we will also vote for you.
So you believe that a number of people are going around sharing money. Is that exactly what you want to say?
Oh, they are not going around, but they say, as for what I have heard, is that they will call you for you to bring your ID card so that they will find some amount of money for you.
Okay. Which people are doing the calling?
As for now, I can't tell you the people who are doing it, but you have been here for a long period of time. You yourself, you can experience something here, so you can see it by yourself.
Okay. So that's a gentleman, a resident here in Bodia, who believes that he's going to get some amount of money from either the sites before he goes ahead to vote. Chairman.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Samuel Obed. But as for me, I would like to speak the Ghanaian language.
Okay, you want to speak Tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Ejuma be na wo ye wo Bodia ha say.
Oh, Nyankasa de me wie school 5 years ni. Me nhyɛ de nya adwuma papa bia nka sɛ emfa me nsansi me bon kan kyerɛ me ame ho sɛ me yɛ adwuma wei. So ati ase. Aha. Na enam nema 1 or 2 binti ochina wo fie na obi afro sɛ mo yɛ nkɔ ha. Ɛyɛ man na adwuma yi. No wasia ba betena fie ye nkwa ha no wa ba betena fie saa ne manema na nanam no so niti no sisi ano ye pe mpuntuo ye yi NDC ne MPP ato nkyɛn so ati ase na ya pre ama youth no to say youth no yen ne daache no so ati ase aha yen ne daache ti o se ye den yen youth no ye pre so ati ne pe mpuntuo de de ma youth no so ati ase aha enti na ye nyina wa ha se
What aba anopai?
matopa enini matopa.
Oh, okay. Enti wugidi se hwan na ebetumi se ye bekan bibia wi wugidi se hwan na ebetumi awi ni.
Oh, mianka se de mintimi nkyere de se ebia asimesi ana obenten mintimi nkyere so ati ase aha
Nti wuka se open mpuntuo no na wo hwa omumienu hwan na wo hwe se ode mpuntuo no ebebre wa babo.
Oh, mpuntuo ne de me de enam adwuma me peniti no miminya mine na kamepe so ati ase fi se mine no ebetima aboa youth no ama nipa yede nipa timenya bi at least bibi kakra krampo na ena se bibi kakra so fi the other party ne so bakra na yewom So I just say,
Thank you very much. All right. Yo, senior. Yeah. Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Steven.
Steven. How long have you been in Boadia?
Oh, I've been at Boadia since 2006.
Since 2006.
Yeah.
So tell us, have you gone through the process so far?
No, I haven't gone through the process, but I will surely do before the year ends.
What is keeping you waiting?
I'm just looking at the atmosphere.
When you say atmosphere, what exactly do you mean by atmosphere?
I mean the process, how it is going on right now. I'm not waiting for anybody, but I will surely cast my vote before the day ends.
What are your expectations?
My expectation. I haven't voted yet, but my expectation is I just want to see the lawyer wins. Yeah. Because from the look of things, I can see to it that he's the one who can help us.
If you say help, what do you mean by that?
In this constituency, we don't have any problem with healthcare, and we don't have any problem with education. Yeah, but when we talk about sustainable jobs and infrastructure, something like good roads, as for that side, we lack. Asumedu is a miner, and he's not just a miner. He's a galamsey. He's not a small-scale miner. There's only one small-scale miner in this town. He's not a small-scale miner. And the mining too is killing the youth a lot. But you can see him on the platform advocating for people to vote for him just because he will employ them into the mining. You can ask my brothers right now. Just like somebody was shot at a mining site over here. Just last week, somebody was shot. And we can't count the number of youths that the mining has killed in this constituency. So it's not something that we need to encourage.
But a number of people are also saying that Akwatia is a mining hub, a mining area.
Yeah, Akwatia is a mining hub because of the GCD company. But right now, the GCD company is not working. And it is the Galamsey that has taken over. And the Galamsey too, I don't know if you have gone to the bridge over here. Have you seen what they have done over there? They are destroying the land, they are killing the youth, and they are killing the career of the youth too. Because of the mining, the youth too don't want to go to school again. But meanwhile, when you look at things, you can see to it that education is something that can take the youth forward. This mining that they are doing is not sustainable. They just started that mining, and within the month they are done. You see, the land too has been destroyed.
So a worried resident here who is looking forward to more sustainable source of employment for majority of his brothers who are engaging in illegal mining currently here at Boadia. Chairman, welcome to Channel 1 TV.
My name is Zakar Mohammed Salisu. This is the first time Akwatia has experienced by-election. We've not experienced by-election before, and this is the first time too.
Have you already gone through the process?
Not yet.
What are you waiting for?
I'll go, but I'm just waiting, that's what I mean.
You are just waiting. Are you waiting for something?
Oh no, I'm not waiting for something. I'm not waiting for something, but I'll go and vote. I'll vote.
Okay, so what will be your expectations? What are you expecting?
My expectation is in this constituency, we lack jobs. The youth here don't have jobs to do, you know. So when we vote, when we are looking for a job in this country, that's what we look for, and we vote. So that's my expectation.
So is that going to inform your choice today when you go to the ballot?
Oh, as for that's what I'll look at. I have already said in this constituency we don't have jobs. So when I'm going to vote, I'll look the person that will bring us job. That's what I'm going to vote for. So yeah.
Thank you very much for talking to us. So obviously, the people here are more concerned, especially the youth, are more concerned about sustainable jobs. They believe this is going to inform their choice in today's elections. A number of them are yet to go through the process, and we will engage some of them to also find out why the cause of delay. You speak in Twi, or you will speak Pidgin? Twi. All right. Your friend was saying.
My friend Fauzan, Ali Fauzan.
Ali then?
Fauzan.
Fauza. Okay. Who aboard you have say?
I'm aboard, yes.
What's now how many years?
Matana for 8 years.
8 years. International say what you can to about.
Matu apopen.
Okay.
Matu we can matu miensa.
We can one miensa. Okay. And then what and then what?
Na afere mu kakoto. Sami ko be dinti afere mu kakoto.
Ko baby. Uko adwuma. Uko site ana.
Da bi nye site. E site na me ko na so mu ko hwa de. E machine no anya fault. Dimi ko jina nwa hwe omo ye. Mo wie na office afere ma be den. Ma betu.
Okay. You a machine operator.
Me mine. Isu me boys ni bi workers.
Nti ene den na ebe ba otrim ansa na ukọ se ukoto aba den na obegina so a de beto aba.
Oh, on de won say de ye youth ni de say that say who say ya umbra say yo in fact yo yi yo wa honde ye ejuma ne so bodia ensa Akwatia konsisi we ni ye ni factory bia wa ha etimi for boys amu ejuma ejuma ye ne da money good e mining and so company so egu so good na ejuma na ye de ye na ye sere say do ba be wini no omboy na ye youth no etimi nya ejuma nya de enye so ye ni factory bia wa ha a be bo youth no de ejuma na ye bia na galamsey ti galamsey na ye say mpenifo no nhwe na ejuma no nkosi ye de wa ejuma no be ye de e be kosu ye na ye youth no etimi ye de enye ejuma say aye wa say no etimi nko bia etifie so a emboa eba mu ofia e say ye hwom nti mpenifo nhwe na ono ti na ma be ye de ba be to aba amma de makuma na ma to ama no
Nti wan na wakoma ada no so.
na so no de different de oh ti untimi kan say me na menim de o makuma ma ye de me ka koto
Nti ade no ready wan na wo hwe anim so obetimi awi ni.
ono de say ballot ne be kire bibia untimi wetimi de utimi akese we na be wi ne so bia na edu enyumre na bibia ye de as baby fufuro.
Okay. That's it. Thank you. Senior.
Yo, bro.
Would you want to speak English?
Yeah, I want to speak English.
All right. So, are you from Boadria? Are you a resident here?
Yeah, I'm resident here.
Okay. How long have you been here?
I think my whole life.
Your whole life. Oh, okay. So, have you gone through the process?
Yeah, I've gone through the process.
Okay. Around what time?
Around 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay. What informed your decision in there?
I don't want to say much, but in the end of the hours, maybe the one I voted will be declaring.
Okay. What informed your decision? What informed your choice?
We want the development.
Development.
Yeah.
Okay. So among the three, who do you feel will bring the development?
I don't want to mention them here, but at the end of the hours, maybe we'll find a winner. All right.
Thank you very much for talking to us. Senior.
My name is Fatal.
Your name is?
Abdul Fatal.
Abdul Fatal.
Yeah.
How long have you been in Bodia here? Oh, okay. Okay. So have you gone through the process already?
No, but soon.
Oh, okay. Okay. What will inform your decision?
I don't have like I don't know what to say. Right now there, like I'm just observing things. Like I'm just observing things.
Okay. Okay. You are just observing things.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what time do you feel you go to the ballot?
Maybe around 2.
Around 2.
Because like I have some emergencies to attend, so around 2 I'll back.
All right. Thank you very much for talking.